Millions of seniors take vitamin D, calcium, and iron every day, believing they're doing their bodies a favor. But shocking new research reveals these healthy supplements might actually be harming leg strength. If you're over 50 and relying on these vitamins, you need to hear this. Let's start with vitamin D. Sure, it's essential for bone health, and many of us are deficient. But here's the kicker. Too much vitamin D can lead to calcium buildup in your muscles, which actually weakens them. A recent study from 2023 found that seniors with high vitamin D levels had 20% worse leg function compared to those with normal levels. So, what's the solution? Get your vitamin D from sunlight first. Only consider supplements if your doctor confirms you're deficient. Next up is calcium. We've all heard that calcium is crucial for strong bones, but the truth is taking calcium pills can lead to excess deposits in soft tissues, causing stiffness. A study from Japan's National Institute of Health revealed that seniors who took calcium supplements experienced 30% more falls. Instead of reaching for those pills, try getting your calcium from natural sources like kale and almonds. They're not just healthier, they're safer too. Now, let's talk about iron. Many people think they need iron supplements to boost energy, but unneeded iron can trigger oxidative stress, which accelerates muscle loss. Research published in the journal Age and Aging found a direct link between iron pills and slower walking speeds in seniors. The bottom line? Only take iron supplements if blood tests show you have anemia. So, what should you take instead? Consider swapping those potentially harmful vitamins for magnesium, vitamin K2, and omega-3s. These nutrients not only protect your muscles but also support bone health. They're a much better choice for maintaining strength as you age. If you're ready to take action, I've got a 10-day leg strength challenge for you. Comment "stronger" below, and I'll send you the free plan to help you build strength safely. Remember, these vitamins aren't evil, but taking them blindly can be dangerous. Always get tested first before starting any new supplement regimen. If you learned something today, smash like and share this life-saving information with others. Your body will thank you.